Stick around. Don't run away. Do not run away. Gang, gang, you know what it is. Camp is about to start. I just made it to Boston Logan International Airport. Picked up the rental car. Had to stop at the Bucks. But then I got to drink it here instead of going to the road because the damn barista lipped my cup. Means the top ain't going to fit. But you know what? When life gives you coffee, you got to make coffee. No, I'm going to just drink it here because you definitely don't want to drive with a lip cup. You mess around and spill coffee on your, and then you be trying to sue somebody. But you know what it means? It means that when we are on the road, all the videos coming from the road. And who knows? That could be the room, that could be the car, it could be the airport lounge, whatever it takes to get this joint done. But this made me think of something today. I think anyone who's just starting their channel and you're still thinking about what equipment to buy, you should probably just shoot your videos in the car. If you're doing talking heads, now got it. If you're crafting or showing people how to chop wood, that's not going to work. But if you're doing a talking head video, do them joints from the car. It doesn't make it any less serious if the information is good. But the advantage is you don't waste money on any equipment until you know it's good. And this joint is like a soundproof audio booth. Everything in here sounds good. Now I'm using my AirPod Pro 3s as the microphone, and I'm talking to this iPhone 17 Pro Max, shooting with the brand new front-facing camera. And yeah, this joint should just come out good. So this week, while we out here playing in these streets, you're going to see a lot of videos from the car. I'm going to enjoy this coffee. I'm going to come back and add some more to this video later. We're going to try to shoot clogs. That's right, vlogs from the car. We'll see what this gets onto today. Choo! Oh my God. Long travel day is almost over, but I finally get to the telly and I get a chance to catch up with you guys and just touch on something. I was responding to some comments today, and it's really weird because it's in different scenarios with different people in different conditions, not even all content creating. And at the end of the day, the overarching situation is in order to be good at this, well, especially what we do here at content creating, you need to have two things. You have really good short-term memory, almost like if a quarterback is to throw an interception, a lot of times the coach will call the very next play as a pass play. So that way they can just shake it off and get back to their game plan. Same thing if a running back fumbles the ball. Oftentimes they will give it back to him. You know, car accidents every week in F1. These guys go out and drive the next week. You just get back on the horse, so to speak. And it's kind of interesting to me that no matter how much you hear it, it's really hard for people to get over the perfection thing. And also, it's really hard for people to hear and get over the idea that the reality, the true reality is no one cares unless you're helping them. If you're helping them in some way, shape, or form, maybe they care. But for the most part, they don't. And in the same token, nobody cares even when you're helping them if the help is really good. As a matter of fact, they would rather you almost get to it instead of go around the bull's ass and backwards. And so I mentioned this to a buddy of mine today. I was like, we creators, man, we just absolutely overthinking it. I mean, dude, I'm sitting in the hotel talking to you on my notebook with the microphones on a set of AirPods and the hotel lamp. And this video looks just as good as if I'm sitting in my studio with all my fancy lighting. Now, this would look horrible, but this looks perfectly fine. And the amount of people who wouldn't shoot this video right here with the built-in camera on the MacBook and a set of AirPods, even though they have something important to say. Like, we have really got to shake that. And that's why in the very beginning of this video, as I'm sitting in my car, I referenced that a lot of people just starting out need to go back and just start shooting with their phone for the simple reason of shaking off the concept of I need something else in order to get this done. You already know what to do. You already got content at home. And the subject matter came up because it was talking about placement of the teleprompter and, you know, what happens when you happen to look at the screen and be talking like this. I'm like, man, if the info is good, nobody cares. Nobody cares. You watch people do reports on television where they're reading straight off a piece of paper. You know, you watch judges in a case reading a document. They go like this, they put their glasses on, they hold the paper out front, and they go straight down the docket and start reading stuff. If the info is good, the info is good. Nobody really cares, and we really got to stop overthinking it. So here I am, completely exhausted, been traveling almost 30 hours. I really need to go to bed, but I had to just repeat this reminder. I'm probably going to have to make this video like once a month until it starts to sink in. But you really, really got to shake the perfection monster, and you got to stop overthinking. You have to do it. You cannot get better at this if you don't do it. It's impossible. It's impossible. And I want the best for everybody out there. So you got to put those steps in. Put those steps in, put those reps in. And I hopefully me sitting here still making this video after being Oscar Mike for 30, almost 30 some odd hours, that this is your ticket to ride. Like I want you to see that you got to do it. There ain't nothing to it but to do it. There's no choice. To round this out, there's, as you saw this week, there's a bunch of weird shakeups going on in Hollywood, and a bunch of the pros are coming to the platform. You guys don't want to be left out because you waited too long, and then it's like, oh, now it's hard to get in. Now it's saturated. Now the pros are coming in. But trust me, the pros are starting to make their way to the platform. So you don't have much time, maybe like 3 to 5 years to at least put your foothold in the ground and stake your claim, just like it was the old 49ers. You got to stake your claim, not football. I mean, gold diggers. That sounded weird. Anyway, you got to stake your claim before this all goes away. So yeah, just a quick reminder to keep creating. And if you have any questions, comments, feedback, let me know in the comment section below. You know what I say? I don't know who needed to see this, but if it was you, let me know in the comment section below. And right about now, the algorithm is going to share another video that you should watch, and I'm going to go to sleep.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them